Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale required OpenGL function is not available. So all you need to do is go to your browser, write exactly this OpenGL, like copy exactly this sentence, and then open this first link here. From here, all you need to do is click download, and then once it is downloaded, all you need to do is double click and follow the instruction and install it. After that, go to your search bar here, search for date and time. Then from here, turn on these two first options. Then go here to sync now and click on it to sync it. Then all you need to do is go here and restart your PC. This should solve the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.